All right.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Is called family. When we look back upon our lives, it won't matter much what kind of car we drove. This is to borrow from another author. Or how nice our house was, or even what kind of job we had. What will matter are the lives we touched, and the people we loved. When all the trappings fall away, it is the people who are left. Our love for each other holds our hearts together. Through the hurts and misunderstandings, through the tragedies and trials, through the blessings and joys and surprises and fun times, unconditional, limitless love is what holds us together. Children, brothers, sisters, parents, aunts, uncles, grandmothers, grandfathers, grandchildren, siblings, cousins, we are family. What a blessing that we have had the opportunity to connect. God bless the family reunions.
That's great.